I want to show you, which I get a request a lot, how to actually properly tie your ribbons. I would recommend trial and error with what you wear in your pointe shoes. However, I don't recommend anything too thick, because while it might not be the most comfortable thing to start with, you're going to want to eventually feel the floor. Okay, so if you have really a lot of padding in your shoe, you're never going to get to the point where that pointe shoe becomes part of your feet. I wear lamb's wool, but I've been doing this for a while, so just do some trial and error, find out what works for you, but I would recommend not a lot of product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my padding in, and the way to tie your pointe shoe is very, very simple. We're going to take the inside ribbon here, wrap it around here one more time until it stops on the inside of your ankle. Other ribbon, same thing, wrap it around until it stops on the inside of your ankle. Look, my ribbons are now somewhat even. Tie a little bit of a knot, not too tight, not ever fun, and just tuck it in. That's how easy it is. You don't have to wrap 14 times and everything. That's it. Let's watch one more time. So put your padding in, whatever it is. Okay, inside ribbon, once, twice. Outside ribbon, just once. Same length, tie a little knot, tuck it in, and that's it.